What is HTML? HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. Elements tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Have a look at this HTML example. The doctype HTML declaration defines that this is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of the HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page, whereas the title element specifies a title for the HTML page. The body element defines the document's body such as heading, paragraph, images, hyperlink, tables, lists, etc. H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a starting tag, some content, and an ending tag. The HTML elements is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Here is a note. Some HTML elements have no content, such as the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Such empty elements do not have an end tag. Web browser. The purpose of web browser is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tag but uses them to determine how to display the document. HTML page structure. Here is a note. Only the content inside the body section will be displayed in the browser. History of HTML. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented www. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML. In 1993, Dave Raggett drafted HTML+. In 1995, HTML Working Group defined HTML 2.0. In 1997, W3C recommendation was HTML 3.2. In 1999, W3C recommendation was HTML 4.01. In 2000, W3C recommendation was XHTML 1.0. In 2008, WH80WG HTML5 first public draft. In 2012, WH80WG HTML5 living standard. In 2014, W3C recommendation was HTML5.